You want to know what that forecast is going to bring you today, Alan?
Another good-looking day. Good-looking day. We'll see lots of sunshine through the afternoon hours after a few clouds this morning. And I want to show you what happens Wednesday morning. This is the big Western Street Breakfast in Colorado Springs. We'll be out there, News 5 broadcasting live, as will Bree. She'll be out there emceeing the event. You can see temperatures around 5 o'clock just before the event starts in the mid-50s. By around 7 a.m., we're up to 61. And then by 9 a.m., still plenty of sunshine, so you need the sunscreen. Temperatures are already jumping up into the mid-70s. So some gorgeous weather tomorrow. This morning, it was an absolutely beautiful sunrise all throughout southern Colorado. Thanks to this, some cloud cover that's moving in from a weak disturbance down across the desert southwest. Now, this disturbance won't bring any rain showers or thunderstorms to southern Colorado today, but we will see some gusty winds, especially out west into the mountains, mountain valley areas. Those spots could see gusts around 30 to even 40 miles per hour. And because of that dry downslope flow already reaching us here in the Pikes Peak region, check out how mild the air is this morning. 64 in Manitou. Cripple Creek's the cool spot at 49. We have 58 for downtown Springs, 59 for the airport, 58 currently in Fountain, 60 degrees in Monument. Double Nickel still on the map around La Junta and Pueblo. Some of the warmest air down south with some of the stronger breezes there. Around 73 degrees this morning in Walsenburg. And through the afternoon hours, here's a look at what we expect to see right around 3 o'clock. Winds not nearly as strong north of Highway 50. It's down across the mountain areas, the San Luis Valley, where we will see some of those occasional gusts up around 30, even 40 miles per hour. But it's that dry downslope flow. The wind now coming out of the west as opposed to the southeast like what we saw last weekend and last week. That brings in that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. This brings in air from the desert, so a much drier and hotter air mass, and that'll put us back into the 80s today in the Springs, 90s today around Pueblo, all being driven by this area of low pressure to our west, the heat being generated as well by this ridge of high pressure to our east. So still sandwiched between these two weather systems. Now eventually, as we mentioned yesterday, this low rides along the jet. It's going to send a cold front down into southern Colorado. That's going to bring in some changes to your forecast as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. First, across the eastern counties, could see some strong to isolated severe storms tomorrow afternoon. Then as the cold front arrives late Wednesday night and Thursday morning, model shows the potential for some heavier rain, strong to severe storms even into the overnight hours Thursday morning as well. Then through the afternoon, we'll get another chance of scattered showers and storms that could linger through Thursday night before drier air once again returns to the forecast as we head towards Friday and the weekend. So today, all about the heat. Breezy to gusty in some areas, decreasing clouds in the afternoon with temperatures into the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So the first day of summer, we'll see 80s again, maybe a few late evening or overnight showers in the Springs. Most of the heavier stuff, I think, stays pretty far east. Cooler Thursday and unsettled, drying out by the weekend. For Pueblo, 90s through Wednesday, you can see we cool down with some scattered storms Thursday. Back up near 90 by Friday. Canyon City got 90 degrees on Tuesday, 88 Wednesday, down around 80 Thursday. Excuse me, back up to the upper 80s by the start of the weekend. And for Woodland Park, just that little blip in the radar here forecast. Cooler with some showers and storms Wednesday night to Thursday, but drying out just in time for the weekend.